All right, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, back over here in second day, Laguna Niguel with that Brazilian walnut, that ippy floor. You guys probably thought I wasn't going to be showing any more videos since we had so much trouble yesterday, but figured it out, man. Some bleach, some water crystal, water dye, oil stain, invisible finish. We got some colors we liked. Let me turn this around and show you, but I'm not going to tell you how we did it. But normally our samples are, you know, 1.5 by 1.5. Maybe every now and then it's 2 foot by 2 foot. But there's so much different colors in this floor, these greens and yellows, and we had to do a bigger section. And that's what we were trying to. We didn't want to go dark. We wanted to keep it as light as we could. But got a couple of different samples we're trying to choose before. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Yeah, we were able to hide and get rid of the yellows and the greens and the crazy colors that's in these boards. You're gonna have to tune in tomorrow to see which one we end up going with, but that is pretty. That's as pretty as you're gonna get it, and keep it light. Let me tell you how we did this formula. Not trade secrets right there. Woo! Look at that. Whew. All right, I'm turn this off so guys can get back to work. All right, guys, tune in.